Hi guys, hi everyone. Welcome back with the second regular Sudoku, and this one is a Sudoku Heavy. Yes, in today's newspaper of Friday, January the 29th, 2021. Second Sudoku Heavy, but how heavy is this one? I do not know, so we will count the printed digits, and this one has 26. I've already counted 26, so this one you can compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars. In the additional, this will be a 2 stars. A 1 star has 27 printed digits, and this will be not number 2241. All right. So let's get started. All right, I have some tea here. Okay. Oh, bumped. Apologies. Apologies. All right. So let's get started. Let me see. Which number can I pick? We see here 2 in this row, the last row, 2 in the row above. So in that row, the only place for a 2 should be there. Then. All right. We have a 6 in the first column, 6 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place for a 6 should be there. Then. How about the number 2 in this column, 2 in the second column. So in the third column, only place for a 2 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 9, 5. 3 missing numbers in this column. Those numbers are 3 is missing, the 9 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 359, and look, we have a 5 and a 9 there, so no 5 and a 9 in this box. The 5 and the 9 goes in at those 2 boxes. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So 1 digit left for the 3. 8. All right. How about the 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place for a 5 should be there. And then 2 in this row, 2 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next. Only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in the first row, 2 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. And all the 2's are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 2. All right. How about yeah. Okay. Yeah. 3, 4, 5, 6, Yes. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 6 and the 7 in this big square. We have a 6 and a 7 in this last row, so no 6 and a 7 in these 2 boxes. The 6 and the 7 goes in these 2 boxes. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 6 and a 7. The other pair in this big square should be the numbers 1 and 9. Let me mark those, 1 and 9, 1 and 9. Okay. 8, 3. So now we have 3 missing numbers in the last row. Those missing numbers here are the numbers 3, 5, and 8. 3, 5, 8. And look, we have a 5 and 8 there. So no 5 and 8 in this box. The 5 and 8 goes in these 2 boxes. So 3 goes there. Alright. The other pair should be the numbers 7 and 3. 7 and 3. 7 and 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. 7 and 3. 3, 3. 3, 3. Okay. 5 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9, no 9 in these 3 boxes. There are 9. No 9 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 9. Should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in that row. So the row between, the middle a row. The only 2 places for 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in the last column, 9 in that column. So the column between, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. Alright. Now I cannot continue with the 9. How about 8, 6, 2. Yeah. 1, 2. 7. I need a 7. He's supposed to be the 7. 4. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1 in this big square, so no 1 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 2 boxes left in this column. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing, and 5, and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6. 4 and the 6. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1, 2, 3 is missing in this big square. We have a 3 here, so no 3 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the number 7 and 5. 7 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 7 and 5. Okay. So we have a 5 in one of those 2 boxes in the last column. 5 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5. No 5 there. 5 should be there. 6 and the 7. Yes. No. We have a 7 in one of those 2 boxes. 7 and a 3. So this cannot be a 7 anymore, because we have a 7 in this row in one of those 2 boxes. So this should be a 6. And this should be a 7. Alright. So 1 box left in this row for the number 4. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 6 and 8. 6 and 8. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 2 box. No. 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing here. 4, 6, and 8. And how about those 5, 7, 5. The 1 is missing. Okay. Yeah. 4, 7. So we have a 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only two places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there's 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 1 is missing, 3 is missing, 6 is missing, 6, and 8. 8. Okay. 6. Yeah. 1, 9, and the 8. We have 8 there. Yes, this column, 3 missing numbers. I need an 8 in one of those 3 boxes. We see there an 8, no 8 there. Here also an 8 in this big square, so no 8 there. So the only place for the 8 should be here. 8 in this row, 8 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only place for the 8 should be there. Now we have an 8 there. So this can be 8 anymore. This should be the 8. And this should be a 6. 1 box left in this column, the last column for the number 1. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 6 and 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Cannot fill this yet. A lot of pairs. So those 2 numbers, the 1 and the 3. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 1 and the 3. 1, 3. And 6 are missing. 1, 3, and a 6. 1, 3, and a 6. Okay. 1, 9, 7, 5. How about these? 1, 7, 8. 1, 7, 8. 1, 7, 8. 8. Here's supposed to be the 8. Wow. 7, 3. 1, 7, 8. 1, 7, 8. 6, 4. Yeah. 7. Okay. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, so no 3 in those 2 boxes. So the 3 could be here, could be there. So we have a 3 in this column, 3 in one of those 2 boxes in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for the 3 should be there. We have a 7 and a 3 as a pair, so this should be the 3. And this should be a 7. Okay, so yeah, supposed to be the 7 and the 1. Yes. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We see here 1. So no 1 there. So the 1 could be here or could be there. Same with the 7. We have a 7 there. So no 7 in this box. So the 7 goes together with the 1 as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square. For the number 8. Now we have 8 there, so this can be 8 anymore. This should be the 8, and this should be a 5. 1 box left in the first column for the number 5, I believe. Yes, 5 is missing. All right. 6, 4, and 1. 6. 3, 4, and 1. 3. Yes. How about 7, 8. 8 in this row, 8 in the second row. So on the third row, the only two places for the 8 should be here. Oh, there we see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 8. 2 numbers left in this row. The 1 and the 7 are missing in the third row. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 1 goes and there. 1 and a 7, yes. Now we have a 7 there. So this can be a 7 anymore. This should be a 1. These two boxes, the 1 and the 9 are left. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 9 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 9. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next. The only two places for the 1 should be here. Oh, there we see there 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row below. The only place for the 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 1. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 3 goes there. Now we have a 4 there. So this can be 4 anymore. This should be the 4. And this should be a 6. 1 number left in this row for the number 3 is missing. 1 number left in this big square for the number 6. 2 boxes left in this column for the numbers 7 and 6, I believe. 7 and 6. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here and a 7 goes there. Now we have a 7 here, so this can be 7 anymore. This should be the 7 and this should be a 5. Now we have a 5 there, so this can be 5 anymore. This should be the 5 and this should be the 9. And the last two numbers of this big square for the number 6 and 4. 6 and 4. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 6 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. All right. Great Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe and hit that bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus in the future. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you later with the extra Sudokus in the additional. See you then. Bye-bye for now.